Okay, starting with solve example 3.3. An aeroplane A is traveling in a straight line with a velocity of 300 km per hour with respect to A. So here the aeroplane A is moving in a straight line with respect to Earth. Suppose this is your Earth and your aeroplane A is moving with velocity 3 km per hour, 300 km per hour. Then another aeroplane B is traveling in opposite direction. Another aeroplane B is traveling in opposite direction. So VB, and that is given 350 km per hour with respect to Earth. 350 km per hour with respect to Earth. Now what should be the what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? Relative velocity of A with respect to B. So you will calculate VAB because it is relative velocity of A with respect to B. So it will be VA minus VB. VA is 300. Now here velocity of A is given to us, velocity of B is given to us. So velocity of B is 350. Now when you notice the direction of A and B, it is opposite. So here at place of velocity of B, you will write minus. It will be minus 350 when you will look for the velocities of A and B in comparison. If you are looking them separately, means velocity of A, then it is 300, velocity of B, then it is 350. But when you are looking them in connection, at that time you will have to write minus sign in velocity of B, or also you can take minus sign in velocity of A. But here we are taking minus sign in velocity of B because we are finding relative velocity of A with respect to B. So if A is over here, B is in opposite direction. So B is in opposite direction. So we are putting minus ka sign in velocity of B over here. So this becomes 300 plus 350, which is 650 km per hour. Okay, then the next thing, what should be the velocity of a third aeroplane C? Okay, now we have a third aeroplane and they are asking us to calculate velocity of third plane. Let me see the directions of third plane. And this third plane is moving parallel to A, okay, is moving parallel to A relative to the Earth. Yes. If you see A with respect to Earth, C with respect to Earth. So both of them are moving parallel with respect to the Earth. Means if you are standing over here, then you will see both of them moving in the same direction and both of them will be parallel to each other. Now, if aeroplane C has velocity, relative velocity of 100 km per hour with respect to A, means relative velocity of C with respect to A is 100 km per hour. So here we can write it as VC minus VA, which is 100 km. We have VA, that is 300. So VC minus 300 is equal to 100. So VC is equal to 100 plus 300, which is 400 km per hour. So here the velocity of third aeroplane is calculated.